Alright, this video is for a 2000 to 2003 or 5 Honda Odyssey. The problem with the green light key, which is this one. This is your model. If you don't get that light, it does not want to start. Try to figure out so many issues with this van, but this one, it's like anti-theft something, I'm not sure. But if you're having that issue where the van just wants to start but doesn't completely start, then this is the problem that it has. You're gonna need this relay. This is the main relay. This fixed the issue. The main relay for Honda. Now this van, with when it's hot, didn't want to start, just kept cranking, but didn't want to start. I pounded the steering wheel, messed with the shift, and finally the light turned green. We could get it started, and so we go. Problems got worse. Then it cut off on me, shutting down on me, which I thought it was the alternator, and it wasn't. It was this freaking relay here, the main relay. Pretty easy to take off. What you do, it's located underneath the steering wheel on the bottom, and it's that one right there. That's your main relay. It's connected to a 10mm bolt, which is, trying to get it, which is right here, right there. Take that off, get that relay. I got mine in auto zone. Plug it back in, put it on, and now it works just fine. Again, this is with the 2000 Honda Odyssey with the green light not coming back on. This is not the flashing one that you see on the internet and on YouTube. They're trying to figure out the flashing green light. This one, if the light doesn't come on, it won't start. And after a while, if you let it go for too long, like I did, it will cut off on you while it's driving, while you're driving on the road. I was doing 60 miles per hour, cut off on me. I was doing 30 miles per hour, cut off on me. And that's the problem. This is the issue right here. The main relay for the Honda Odyssey. Hope this helps. I was trying to figure it out for a long time. Finally got to see what it was. Remember, main relay for the Honda Odyssey. Hope it helps you guys.